Alright guys, so one of the things that we do for our site investigation or site visit for returning residents is actually send them a video that they can actually look around, right? I'm going to show you what that looks like. For this particular project, we actually implemented this for inspection purposes. So whenever I go to a site, I will use our camera, a special camera that we have, to create a video that the client can actually look around or move around and see exactly what is happening on the site. So in this video, I'm going to show you what that looks like. So as a returning resident, this is a service that you can actually take advantage of. We also do it for property inspection or property viewing for our returning residents. So we'll go to the site, set up our camera and take a 3D imaging of the actual location for you to be able to walk through and see exactly what is on the site. No selective photos, anything like that. You can look all around. I'm gonna show you what that looks like right now, all right? Alright guys, so this is a site that we're working on for this series. You know that already, right? I'm basically on the site, and if you notice, I can actually move around, right? I can move around and actually see what's happening on the site, right? So I'm basically carrying out an inspection right now, and as you can see, I can actually move around in the image and see exactly what is happening on the site. And you as the returning resident, I can even pause it and still look around. You as the resident living overseas, looking at your construction, that's babe right there. That's me right there, right? You can actually you're able to inspect your site yourself, look at what is happening, and be involved in the process, as involved in the process as you would like to be, right? That's a pit septic tank that they're putting right there, but you basically have the ability to see exactly what is happening. It's something that we implemented, and trust me, I believe it is effective. I believe that as a returning resident, you are enabled by this, right? That's me looking at my tablet right there, all right? Yeah, so tell me what you think about this. Tell me what you think. Is this something that you would use? Is this a service that you would use? I must note, where you can apply this is, you can do this whenever, we can do this for you whenever you have construction going on, right? Or even if you have a property that you want us to inspect, say you're going to purchase a property, then we could offer this service to you. Just reach out to us if you're ready, and we'll send you an estimate to go and view the property on your behalf. And it's not just viewing the property and sending you pictures, it's actually sending you a video like this that you can look through for yourself. Don't take my word for it, don't take the realtor's word for it. See it for yourself, right? That's basically what it's all about. Same thing for your construction. If you want us to go to your site, set up and take some images for you that you can actually inspect your site yourself, then feel free to reach out, book a consultation via our website, AJAWIconstruction.com, and look at my beautiful wife. And you can reach out to us via that, right? Just select a time that is convenient for you, and we'll get right on it for you. All right, guys, speak the truth, we make a good team, right? She's so involved. Yeah. We're happy to really show you what is happening, right, on this site, so that you can know how you can do construction in Jamaica while you're living overseas. Just ask for our site investigation and 3D 360 video option, and then we will make this available to you. Okay, all right guys, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing this video. I really appreciate it. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I make videos just like this one. All right, see you in the next one. Make sure you're sharing the series, guys. Oh boy, I'm tied up. Yeah, make sure you're sharing the series. Peace out. See you next time.